everyone, welcome to Rainbow Network Media. Please kindly subscribe to this channel for interesting news. Thank you all for listening. The Minister of State for Mines and Steel Development, Uche Oga, has alleged that owners of private jets in the country are responsible for the high cases of illegal smuggling of gold outside the shore of Nigeria. Oga made the disclosure to the Senate on Tuesday in Abuja at an investigative hearing on 9 billion naira annual loss to illegal mining and smuggling of gold. He also said that at the hearing organized by the Senate Committee of Solid Minerals, Mines, Steel Development and Metallurgy, Oga alleged that owners of private jets are masterminds of illegal mining in Nigeria. Oga, who lamented the rate of illegal mining in the country, said all efforts to end the menace have failed because, according to the Nigerian Customs Service, it has no powers to check private jets. He added that illegal mining in Nigeria started in the early 1980s as a result of the indigenization policy of the military regime in the late 1970s. He suggested death penalty as punishment for offenders, saying gold mining in Nigeria is done often using private jets, the very reason why private jet owners and operations needs to be streamlined in the country. Sahara reporters had earlier reported that Oga accused the Godwin Emefiele-led Central Bank of Nigeria of not contributing to its success as a minister after abandoning the steel and mining sector. The minister's attack came following speculations that the Abia State-born politician is one of President Muhammadu Buhari's appointees struggling hard to find their feet in the administration. He further alleged that nothing is being done by the Apex Bank to develop the sector, adding that more investment is required in the area of research to develop this sector. The public hearing was designed to get the input of stakeholders on the preparation of 4 bills and for an investigative motion for the solid minerals sector. The bills include the Nigeria Mineral Development Corporation Establishment Bill 2021 and Solid Minerals Production Area Development Commission Establishment Bill of 2021. So guys, the Minister of Mining in Nigeria, in person of Oga, said he made the disclosure to the Senate on Tuesday in Abuja at an investigative hearing of the $9 billion annual loss to illegal mining and smuggling of gold. He said owners of private jets in Nigeria are the people involved in smuggling gold, and he suggested a death penalty for anyone caught henceforth in the smuggling of gold outside the country. So guys, what do you think concerning this news? Please let us know your thoughts. Your views and advice are highly welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you all for listening.